Kia ora anō, ko te hāmua nō tēnei, te tumu pairos, pou tikanga, bringing you some more explanations around pronunciation of Māori letters. Today we're looking at diphthongs and digraphs. What? Did I just hear you say, hika ma, what does that mean? Allow me to explain. So the diphthong is when you have two vowels running together to make one sound. The digraph is when you have two consonants running together to make one sound. So just to run over those vowels again, in te reo Māori we have a, e, I, o, u. We have a, e, I, o, u. Now, a few of the vowels when run together make different sounds. Te reo Māori is a very phonetic language, right? So you just pronounce the words as you see them, basically break the syllables up and then bring them together and you have a word. Sometimes when you put two vowels together, they make a different sound. So for example, a and e make the sound I, as in I, I. A and e make the sound I, as in o, ka pai. A and o make the sound ao, as in Aotearoa. A and u make the sound o, as in che bro. When it comes to the vowel e, when you put it together with the vowel I, you get the sound a, as in kei, te pai. Ka pai? Kei te pai. The o, when you marry it up with u, you get the sound o, as in tou, T-O-U, the Māori word for bottom. The thing you have to remember is that the brain is a muscle, and muscles have muscle memory. So a lot of the time, a non-Māori speaker will see groupings of vowels together and think, oh my goodness, what is that saying? For example, when you see a and u, A-U, you don't think oh, you think Australia. Stop thinking Australia. Digraphs. Digraphs are when you have two consonants running together to make a new sound. So we have the consonant N or N. Then you put the English consonant G next to it, and it makes the sound Ng, as in Ngāti Porou, Ngāti Whātua, Ngā uri e haere ake nei. You just pronounce it like ng, not ng, ng. Okay, here's an example. Say, sing me a song, not singa me a songa. Ka pai? Easy. Then there's the W and the H. The W and the H. You put those together, and depending on where you come from, it either sounds like F, or it sounds like F, or it sounds like H. So if you come from where I come from, we say whakarongo. If you come from the east of the North Island, you'll say Whanganui. And if you come from up north, you'll say hakarongo. Ka pai? Che.